RockIT Algo traders, happy Friday. Hope all of you all have a good weekend. And thanks, welcome for to view this profit trading strategy sessions. Today we'll discuss how to trade SPY, specifically using RockIT Algo. And yeah, we feel this way every day. Hope we make you feel this way after every trade. Uh, so today, as I had mentioned, we're going to go through how to trade SPY and generate a profitable trading profit and loss statement. Market up or down, you win both directions. We're going to show you what are the two steps you need to follow. Very simple steps, powerful steps. Uh, then we're going to review and illustrate and then review the different trading options you have in RockIT Algo within each time frame. We're going to show you how the most recent past 5 to 10 signals have generated a profitable P&L and sort of to help you build confidence on the performance of RockIT Algo and generating a profitable trading P&L for you. Okay. This is just a disclaimer term of use. We're a data science company, and we, you know, so use different different types of different areas like mathematics, statistics, pattern recognition, trend geometry to design the RockIT Algo algorithm. Data science is not 100% accurate. Definitely, there's some errors of margin. So please be careful using our ideas. Do your due diligence, and as you all know, nobody can 100% predict the reality with regards to trading. So we would just like to put that out there. Then the most so what is our trading philosophy? Our trading philosophy is you sort of treat trading as a business. And in business, you have expenses and revenues. So the revenue will be the trades, the winning trades, and expenses are sort of the losing trades. So we will show you exactly how the algorithm helps you minimize those expenses, those losses, and maximize the revenues, which in turn will help generate a healthy, profitable profit and loss trading statement for you. And it's about confidence. A lot of people ask us, how confident you are. Uh, can we really, rely on this? Uh, no, you can't rely on any indicator, 100% win rate. But yes, you can trade smartly by generating a trading plan that can help generate a positive, profit and loss statement. So this particular strategy session is to help you build confidence by viewing actual performance, which we'll be reviewing, and uh, to help you begin and then how you can increase your trade size. So what we did was we built, we did small trades in the beginning for about minimum 2 weeks, got our feet wet, gained the confidence to really click the trade buy sell button when we had to do it. Uh, don't worry about the losses. The algo takes care of the losses, helps minimize it for you. Uh, Revenues will be much higher, so you will be in a profit zone over a period of like 5 to 10 trades. And in the beginning, just try to trade 3 to 4 instruments, build that capital, and then once you build that capital in the initial 1 or 2 weeks, then you can increase your trade size. And confidence is very important, just in general, in trading also. So the next section, let us illustrate, the performance of RockIT Algo within each time frame across the different trading styles. So, as I mentioned, this is strictly a trading plan for SPY using RockIT Algo. We will be releasing, much more like for Amazon or QQQ, financial ETFs, etc. So every week we will be releasing different types of stocks, strategies for different types of stocks. So here you go. This is a strategy. It's two steps, simple steps. Follow the RockIT Algo Buy sell signals, no emotions. Step number two. Now for SPY, this is for specifically for SPY. Across every time frame and trading option, we have defined internally the maximum stop loss. So 70, for example, if I'm trading 1 minute scalper, I'm not going to lose more than 75 cents. Same thing for short swing, long swing, 90 cents. If I'm doing a 1 hour trade, scalper trading, I'm not going to lose more than $1.50. For short swing, $2, and for long swing, $2.50. Now, these have to be derived in a certain way, and we will be sharing for different stocks, but use this for SPY. Use these stop losses for SPY. And this does not apply to other stocks. Remember that. Now, 75 cents. What it We're showing you examples, basically either trading, buying one stock of SPY or shorting one stock of SPY. So, for example, if I buy one stock and if it goes 75 cents against me, we get out of the trade. We don't we don't care if we're buying the stock or playing options, but we put a stop loss in the options where once SPY has moved 75 cents against us, if we're trading 1 minute scalper, then we get out of the options trade, or we put a stop loss based calculating based on the delta. So remember this: the stop loss is very important. Losses are going to be there. That's a fact. How you minimize the losses, the expenses, is how much you're going to have a positive trading profit and loss statement. So before we dive in really quick, just call out how to read the charts presented in the next sections. So the top left shows a time frame and trading styles like 5 minutes long swing. That's an example. The chart. Uh, Here is a strategy, top right. What is a stop loss and follow signals equals profit. Then on the left hand side, you have these signals. These red and green are buy and signals. And the amount there is either a plus or a minus. Either you made money or you lost money. Now, if there is a yellow highlighted box, then that means we have stopped out of it at a loss. we have stopped. We have stopped the trade at our stop loss limit, thus telling you that we have increased the profit and loss by the difference between the stop loss and the actual value, negative value that it created between the two indicators. And on the right hand side, you can see there's just past 5 trades. What was the total profit? If you just followed signal to signal without stop loss, and with the stop loss, how much you would have stayed and how much it added to the profit after stop loss. So this is how to read the chart. So really quickly, let's go trading time 2 minutes. Usually we do short swing, long swing. That's the best. You can see here 12 trades, total profit 48 cents, no stop loss triggered. The stop loss is 0.75 cents here. You can see we never exceeded the negative amount of 0.75 across any of the any of these signals here. So we just went signal to signal without executing a stop loss, and we hit 48 cents profit. Now for 2 minutes long swing trading, you can see 14 trades, total profit $5.63. We have a 90-cent stop loss here. You can see we would have we would have stopped out at 90 cents, saving us 49 cents, adding to the P&L. So we would have made a total profit of 6.12. That's why the stop loss is very important. For SPY, execute these stop loss amounts. Very important. Execute these stop loss amount. So Here's a 5 minute. Again, we do short swing to a long swing. 13 trades before stop loss, $3.57. The stop loss here is $1.50 for a 5 minute short swing. You can see it never exceeded that, so we never stopped, it wasn't triggered. And even following signal to signal without emotions, we made $3.57. Now, 5 minutes long swing trading, same thing. Here's just look at this top right corner. Stop loss is $2.50. We stopped out at $2.50 here, saving 60 cents if we were to hang on from signal to signal, and total profit 2.21. Then after stop loss 2.81. So you get the picture now for 2 minutes, 5 minutes. You see the most recent trades have been, generating a profitable P&L. Now here, 15-minute scalper. You can see 17 trades, 78 cents, and then stop loss saved us 492, and that added to the five. That added to 78 cents, resulting in $5.70. So you can see here, dollar is our stop loss. So we saved 27 cents here because we would have, closed the trade before the next signal. Same thing, close the trade before the next signal. We saved $3.67 here, $1.98 here, close the trade before the next signal. So once you close a trade on a stop loss, wait for the next signal. Don't worry, it'll come. 15-minute short swings trade, 15 trades, $22.17. Stop loss saved $2.94. Eventually, we got 25.11. More, increases to 25.11 because of the stop losses, as you can see here. So you can see even without the stop loss, you're generating a profitable P&L. The stop loss helps maximize that. So here, 5 trades without the stop loss, 39.61, 15 minutes long swing trade. Stop loss save 61 cents. Add that to 39.61, you get 40.22. So I hope you're getting the picture now. So we went through 2, 5, and 15 minutes. And even if you just follow signal to signal, you're not making a loss in SPY. Here, 30-minute. 15 trades, past 15 trades, $29.61. The stop loss is $1.25, so you can see we would have gotten out of the trade at a loss of $1.25, giving us the savings, which increased the profitable P&L to $31.30. Really going quickly here just to save time. I'm sure you get the idea now, but you can see 30-minute short swing without the stop loss, your profit. With the stop loss, it increases the profit. 30-minute short swing without the profit, increasing. No loss signals triggered. Trading hour 1 hour. Here, 16 trades, scalper, 29.61. With the stop loss, it increases. So you see there's a pattern. What is a pattern here? Even following signal to signal without the stop loss, you're gaining profit. Only thing is when you do kick in the stop loss strategy, you increase your profit. And so here, 1 hour short swing. Again, 5 trades, total profit 21, same story. Then 4 hours, let's go into 4 hours. 5 trades, 44.90. So you can see, 2, 5, 15, 30 minutes, 1 hour, 2 hours, even 4 hours with the 4-hour scalper. Even without the stop loss, you're gaining a profit. With the stop loss, you're increasing that profit. Short swing, same thing here. 7 trades, 40.59, increases with the stop loss. Same thing here. 7 trades, $6.41, long swing. Third, you're increasing with the stop loss strategy. This is the day time frame. 10 trades, total profit $66. With the stop loss, $71.34. Short swing, day, 11.77, and with the stop loss, 34.09 cents. So, conclusion, it's a 2 steps plan. Just keep following it if you want to trade SPY. Don't worry, we'll be developing strategies for different types of stocks, bitcoins, and forex also. So follow the signals without emotions, and if the stop loss amount is hit, get out of the trade and wait for the next signal. You can even go from signal to signal, as you said, without the stop loss. You're going to be in profit. We showed you most recent trades across, before April 14th. Uh, it works extremely well, the RockIT Algo. Now let's dive into how to get started, etc. Uh, follow these steps. Like these are the questions asked by our traders. What are the best settings for RockIT Algo? So make sure you have the RockIT Algo and RockIT Profit Tracker on the chart. Second point, second step, select stock and prime frame. Change the chart to Heiken-Ashi. Uh, keep it Heiken-Ashi because it really helps you visualize the trend, the momentum, the angle of the rise or angle of descent, etc. It tells you exactly when the momentum is weakening or strengthening. So, so that's why we prefer the Heiken-Ashi, form display on the chart. Set alerts for both buy and short so you don't miss a signal. Most important, follow the signals. And this is a very important thing. Set your chart to regular trading hours. We only work on signals that are generated for regular trading hours. You can, and we'll show you on prior slides how to set this up in TradingView. But we don't trade extended trading hours because it's out of our control. A lot of volatility, a lot of ups and downs, and we don't get a chance. Even I mean, the algorithm will give you signals during extended trading hours, but if you're playing options, you can't act on it. So just set your chart to regular trading hours, and then how the profit tracker works here below. Algo will show you profit loss for every candle after the signal. And it is remember it's not accumulated, it's for every signal generated after. What is the profit loss? Green bar means it's profitable, red bar means that particular candle is in a loss within that signal. Red background means short, you're in a sell signal, and green background means you're in a long buy signal. Okay. Second, which RockIT Algo trading styles are best suited for different time frames? So we've laid it out here for SPY. Remember, this is for SPY. If you you have to develop your own doing due diligence, but this is for SPY. For SPY, this is what we trade. Okay. Should we use RockIT Algo regular or extended? So as I mentioned, use regular, and this is how to set it up. We will be sharing this PDF with everybody. So just take a quick read. It'll hardly take 10-15 minutes of your time, but it'll be highly worth. How to set up alerts for RockIT Algo. That's very important. If you don't set up alerts, you'll miss the signals. So make sure you set up the alerts. Clear cut direction. Each stock performs differently. How do I select the stock RockIT Algo deliver performance best? Well, you got to do your own due diligence. What we do is we usually do a visual back testing, as you can see here. This is 30-minute short swing. We use a big back testing. You can see the amount of green bars that are generated for every signal. And then when you mouse over each bar, you can see the value of the profit for that particular candle after the signal, how much profit you're making. Okay. Another interesting thing is to observe is what we've observed is that once one or two, the initial two candles are green, it sort of tells us that this is going to be a profitable signal. So you can see first to green, first to red, and then it goes into green. Here, green in the beginning, red, and then green. So first two and three, once it climbs into green, you can see it will remain profitable in that particular area. Okay. So it sort of helps us build confidence. All right, we're three candles into green. Now it's going to lift off. If it doesn't lift off, then just stop loss. Okay. So coming back here, as I had mentioned, maximize wins by minimizing loss, one of the strategies, but we just laid it out here for you. Uh, And these are some questions. What are the characteristics of the different time frames and trading options? So we've highlighted it here for you just for a quick read. And these are trading tips in general: confidence, build expertise, trade volatile stocks. You usually won't get those consolidation and boring periods. Beware of earnings. Try to avoid earnings again in extended trading hours. A lot of volatility you cannot control. And last, stop loss, as we discussed. So thank you very much. Success. Go get it. This is how you trade SPY. Start small, grow into it. Once you accumulate a little, sort of a little profit, then increase your trade size. But keep following the trading plan. Don't modify it on your own. Don't just step one, step two. I've given you this. We've given you the stop loss amounts for SPY across every time frame, as I'd shown here. So just keep following it. Just keep following it. Okay. And thank you very much. Wait, next, we're working on Amazon. But if you have any uh, recommendation that you would like us to develop a trading plan for, you can always email us at freetrial@thestreetatm.com. And, we'll definitely send that, create a trading plan for you for that particular stock. Okay. Thank you. Have a nice day. And for those of you who have not joined RockIT Algo, you can click the link below the post of this video, and but you'll need a TradingView account. So get one if you don't, and if you have, just click submit your TradingView username. We All we need is your email address, and you get a 30-day free trial. So thank you all. Wish you profitable trading, and see you next week.